elbow. I'm still moving to my inside control. I'm going to step and move his head. But as I lock under and under, it's almost like I'm going to slide. I'm going to bring my leg just through and set on my hip as I go. Okay? And as I do, it pulls him all the way down. So we're not doing the knee drop and the corkscrew. Okay? So when I'm here and grab, so watch how I try to land on my bottom as I slide through. Okay? Now that I slid through, now I'm going to get my padlock position. Okay? Yeah, so we're not dropping our knee, we're not turning. This one goes a little bit faster, which is why I like you to learn the other one first, okay? Because if you don't pay attention very well, you will knock the breath out of your partner and hurt your partner, okay? So be easy with them. I want you to land on your butt, not on his stomach or ribs, okay? So your butt, not his stomach, okay? So again, I'm in collar, eyes are up here. I'm in collar and elbow, move to inside control. Just like before, we're going to step and move the head. I'm still going to wrap into my armpit, still grab his armpit, but now it's almost like I was going to slide and set. I was sliding into base, okay? And as I slide, I'm going to try to land on my bottom, not on him, okay? Then once he lands, pull in the padlock, okay? I'll try it about 2 more times. Collar and elbow, inside control, eyes up here. Stepping off balance, grab into the armpit, grab his armpit, that's basically one move, and then I'm going to baseball slide through onto my bottom. Okay? Then last but not least, get your padlock. Remember when you get your padlock, other knee up. Okay? Now you guys tell me what to do. Good, then what? When I get inside, what's he get? Outside. Good, then what? Step and unbalance. Then what? What do I land on? Then what? That one? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Find a partner close to your own size, please. Spread out. We got this whole back area. Come on, guys. Get someone close to your size. Alright, so we start in, my side's going first, start in collar and elbow, inside control. When you get inside, they get outside. Step and move the head, grab it into your armpit, grab their armpit. Now here's the tricky part, I'm going to move over here so most people can see me. You're going to slide and land on your butt. And then pull him through. And then padlock. Knee up top. Perpendicular. Yes. And again, ready. You guys scoot back that way a little bit so you don't hit these guys when you fall.
Same thing as
ready. Collar and elbow to inside control. Step and unbalance. Armpit and armpit. Now throw your leg, throw it toward that. And throw your leg and sit. And padlock. Yeah, see how that one hits a little bit harder? And shimmy again. That's the head and arm with the hip stack. And ready. Inside control. Step and unbalance. Armpit and armpit. And step through the hip stack. Padlock. Good. And you guys keep going up. Over and over again for 2. whole minutes this time. And then again, you're gonna spin that one that line for seconds. Make sure they're mounted that way. Lily. No, she's not stepping behind his foot. Slide wall. Not a step behind, a slide forward. No, still going behind him. Stand up and get to the position. Yes, scoot a little bit. That's what it was.